Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to multiply by cosine x on numerator and denominator. Secant of x, that is about 1 over cosine x. Next, cosine x multiplied by 1 over cosine x and number 1. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine x squared. And sine 2x, that is about 2 sine 8 cosine 8. So if we look carefully about this one, we know that cosine x, that is about cosine of 2 multiplied by x over 2. Sine x, that is about sine of number 2 multiplied by x over 2. And now we need to transform this one into this one. And that is about 1 minus 2 sine of x over 2 square. This one, we have 2 sine of x over 2 cosine of x over 2. So this one we simplify and we have 2 sine of x over 2 square. And now we need to simplify 2 sine of x over 2. Next, we need to multiply by 1 over 2 on numerator and denominator. So for this one, we can put like this. And now we have the formula in here. So capital A in here we can represent about 1 over 2, 1 over 2. So when s approaches to number 0, this one equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer. So I will put number 0 cone here and here. This one, that is about number 1. So we calculate about this one and we have 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.